Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Shadowban problem on Facebook. So first of all, we're going to search on it on Google because I went to the help center and report a problem, and the same way goes to the problem because I didn't find a particular like a guideline for how to fix shadow ban problem. So we're gonna search on Google, and as you can see right here, this is banning and moderation center. So if you want to read more about this article, you can feel free to do that. So you can read which section that you are facing with. But there is another way also you can always do that, is by going to your settings right here and go to the iPhone storage. So we're gonna go to the general and we're gonna go to iPhone storage. And as you can see right here, this is the multiple app that I have. So I'm gonna just search for the Facebook app. I'm gonna proceed. So let's wait for a couple seconds so I can show you. So we're gonna scroll a little bit down, and as you can see right here, this is Facebook. We're gonna upload the app by deleting that data, but uploading the we're gonna delete the document and data and all that. So we're gonna upload the app. And the next best thing to do if you are using a Facebook app, we can just delete the app, and it says right here we'll also delete of all of its documents and data. This action can be undone. So we're gonna click on delete the app, and we're gonna reinstall it, and hopefully the shadow ban problem has been fixed. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow and hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.